Good afternoon. Welcome to Haven on Earth. It is about a week before Christmas, and are you guys ready? We are not ready for Christmas per se, but we are getting ready for a cold front. Later this week, it is supposed to be 1 degree for the low with 10 for the high. So we've spent the last couple days getting the animals ready, and we got the goat structure finished. Jason and my mom's husband were able to go to Fort Smith yesterday and buy supplies, and they finished the back, they finished the sides, we trimmed up the roof, and then they also put a piece of plywood in the front to help block any wind or rain, so hopefully to keep the goats drier. It's been a very wet, rainy week. We have still lots of standing water. And the goat pen, for the most part, is dry, but in front of their pen, it is still like soggy, mushy, wet mud. This week, we also have to work on winterizing the camper. And I think we have enough. Well, we do have to refill a couple propane tanks. We have 3 total. I think we have 2, so we just need to fill up 1. But we do need to get some skirting on the bottom to protect our pipes, and Jason did get some pipe tape, I think that it's called, to keep the pipes from freezing. And then inside, the walls get really cold, so I've started using like pillows like as a barrier, but I might get something for the windows to help keep them insulated. This week, Jason and I actually got sick. It's the first time in about 9 years that either one of us has been sick. And he said, he summed it up pretty well. He said, we let our guard down and we got sick, which is pretty much what happened. It has been wet and rainy and cold. With the dogs in the camper, it's been muddy and dirty. And then we've just been kind of running around a lot. So we've been exposing ourselves to more germs, going to the store every day. We've been eating out more because it has been wet and rainy. I haven't been cooking outside. I did make like a detox chicken soup one day inside, but I've noticed every time that I cook inside, like if it's a soup or a stew, the walls start dripping with water and the windows get all condensed. So I didn't know how great that was for the health of the camper. So, and then in addition, we haven't been eating like our soups and stews that we normally do this time of year. We put like up to 20 vegetables in our beef stew, just pack it full of nutrients. I'm also used to drinking homemade bone broth at this time of year, along with my lemon water with cayenne and apple cider vinegar. I did go get some local honey from the old food barn here. So we're going to start implementing our old strategies right back in, because we hate being sick. And I uplift anybody who is sick. I pray for you. I send you well wishes. It's just the pits. We're used to eating homemade, homegrown food, homegrown herbs. We don't have that right now. But I did want to show you this update. And that is that I finished the fence on the northern part of the property. So this is all fenced. And then I also have T-posts laid out and enough fencing material to finish the eastern side, or what will be our backyard. So that should get done in the next day or 2. But yes, yay for fencing. I cannot wait. And this area pretty much has dried out. Like, I'm not walking in mushy, wet ground. But this was completely full. This, on the other hand, is a muddy, sloppy mess. And here's the goat structure. And then this tote that actually somebody threw that away in a dumpster. And so we have recycled it and we have repurposed it. And it's going to be an additional goat shelter. Cheyenne is our smallest goat, and she often gets picked on. And they'll kick her out, so she now has somewhere to go. Look at all those lovely ladies. Hello, ladies. Well, hello. Yes. Yes. I guess it's afternoon nap time. And there's the covered wagon chicken coop. The chickens will be nice and toasty in there. I think we'll just put some extra hay or straw in there. They'll be totally good. And look at that nice muddy mess. Who's got mud? Here's something exciting. Our fridge and stove was delivered. We ordered them at Lowe's and they came on Thursday, and we're just waiting for our shed to house. Yay! While I was in the bed sick, I actually worked on the layout for our shed to house, and I decided I needed another window. So I called the guy and I ordered a kitchen sink window. And then I did a lot of research on mini splits. And I did get our mini split system ordered. Lots of research as far as BTUs and what kind of outlet they need. All sorts of stuff. I started doing research on the water heater. And I'm on the fence about that. One of the families that does the shed house here in Oklahoma on YouTube, they use a portable one that has propane, and it's outside, but it's ventless or ductless. And I wanted to go with that one until I read that if it freezes, then you don't have any hot water. So I'm still researching that as far as doing an indoor propane tankless one. Electric doesn't seem like it's going to be strong enough. So the research continues. Here are some of the products we're going to be taking to help our immune system. We have a raw garlic, lemon, apple cider vinegar, raw local honey, cayenne powder, turmeric powder, and probiotics. And most of these are great for your immune system and also anti-inflammatory. The probiotics also introduce good bacteria back into your tummy because that's where your immune system starts. And when you get sick, it usually strips it. So putting good bacteria back in your body via probiotics is one way to get healthy very quickly. Also, the chickens have reinvaded. Yeah. They're back in the yard. I hope you all are having a Sunday fun day. We are going to go have some fun, and then we'll get back to the work, and we'll get it wrapped up this week, and I hope you guys have an awesome week. I will talk to you later.